Hello travelers, RJ100 coming at you one more time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm so sorry we weren't able to finish out the video yesterday. By the time we got out of Safety Plus, it ended up being late and we had to beat feet to get here. And here, you may ask, we are in Asheville, North Carolina. And with me, I end up running into some subscribers to the channel. And they'll introduce themselves.
I'm Martin. This is Joe.
You are?
I'm Martin.
Joe.
And where are you from?
We're from Dallas, from McKinney.
So you all the way from Texas to here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. So are you enjoying your travels?
It's been beautiful so far. Beautiful country.
So you were out and about and you was telling me earlier that you ended up buying a new truck. Is this your new truck?
This is my new truck.
It's
This is our new
beautiful.
baby.
This is the
It's a
Monster
beautiful.
Edition.
It's the Monster Edition F350.
Wow. And you're pulling a bumper pull. What is it exactly?
Pulling a 30-foot travel trailer, severe, nice dual pullouts.
Okay. All right.
And
The Monster Edition. Can't say I've ever seen that before.
It's the one and only.
Wow. 4x4.
4x4.
I tell you, if I ever go with a bumper pull, I'd need a truck like this.
It's a lot of power.
It's an F350. Lariat, no less.
Yes, sir.
So you mean business when you come down the road. It's a beautiful truck.
He makes heads turn.
I bet he does. I bet he does. Beautiful truck.
Yeah, so we're just really enjoying the colors.
So you're enjoying the fall colors? That's the reason why we came up here.
Yes.
In Florida, there's no change in colors. In fact, the biggest thing you seen was the damage. Oh boy, we gotta. We'll take a pause for a moment. All right, guys, I was appreciative that they showed me their rig and their setup, but they got to get ready to hit the road and do some more traveling. So I would like to say to them, safe and happy travels.
Safe travels. Thank you.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Yeah. Well,
Hi, my travelers. We are in Asheville. I believe I said it before when I was bumped into by the subscribers that we had. It's fantastic. I love meeting people on the road, particularly if they follow the channel. It's just amazing to see, and it's an awesome feeling. All the way here in Asheville, North Carolina, and we bump into people that just is just awesome. I can't even put it into words, but I'm going to walk to the office and show you guys a little bit of this beautiful campground. It's a KOA, but it's really nice. And we're really enjoying the Asheville area. the mountain views, everything, watching the fall colors. And we came here after going to Safety Plus yesterday, because we wanted to spend a while to do something to actually see the fall colors. We've never really got a chance to enjoy that in the past, basically because, you know, you get caught up in work and life goes on, and before you know it, you say, wow, I never experienced this, that, or the other. Well, we're going to try to do that now. Try to experience more of the things that really makes life enjoyable. And we're here now, and like I said before, we're really trying to enjoy the fall colors, and the color of the leaves are just beautiful. Beautiful colors on these leaves. And yes, they're falling, but it's just beautiful. I'm glad to being able to be here to enjoy and observe it. You can't see because of the trees in front of us, but it's a beautiful mountain view. I don't know if you can see it between the trees there, but Asheville is basically up in the mountains. And yes, this is a KOA. A lot of people don't care for KOAs. We pick and choose the ones that we really like to go to. We had been to Asheville in 2020, and that was a KOA, and I think I'll link that video down below of us being in Asheville. We were here in Asheville 2020, and we were here with Mark's Adventures. The coffee bar is closed now. They even have a little game room for the younger of us who may want to come over and enjoy the games. Yep. I'm doing a quick walkthrough because I don't know if this music is going to be censored from one of these games. It's a NASCAR game, I believe. Oh, hold on. Have a little outside fire pit. You could come down and sit out. A little gathering area. Weather is just beautiful. It's in the 70s. Beautiful, bright and sunny. Setting with the mountain hills behind you. The setting is just gorgeous. Of course, they have the bike rentals. Fat tire bikes. Two-person pedal bikes. That's cool. Alright guys, I'll see you when we do our walk around. And this is the store. Pretty much all this good things that you necessarily have to get if you forget something at home. They even have the state map, same one that I have. Put your stickers on each state that you either visit, whatever the parameters are that you set up on visitation. Alright, I'll catch you guys outside. Tiffin Allegro bus over there. Berkshire. Winnebago. There's the Lux. They've come out with some really nice fifth wheels. Oh wow, they even have RV storage. So if you're from the Asheville area, you can come up and have your RV stored. Somebody even has a KOA sign on their rig. Look at the mountain views. I wish I had zoom on this camera. My action cam doesn't have zoom. I'm gonna have to come out with the GoPro so I can get some clearer shots of the mountains. It's beautiful. Yeah, if you want to come and see the changing of the leaves, I think this is going to be one of our new places to come to. We usually go up in Pennsylvania near Pittsburgh, but this is just phenomenal. And they're working on it, making more spots in the back. Where it was visitors parking, it's going to be more campground spots come next year this time. Sorry for the wind noise if there is wind, it just picked up a little bit. I'm walking backwards so you guys don't get inundated with all the wind noise. Yep, the leaves are coming off the trees. You can hear them in the background. But it's such beautiful colors. Fall can bring such a special spirit. Wow, I wonder how old this tree is. You see they cut the tops of it off, but this tree must have been massive. I'm telling you, Asheville is a awesome place to be if you want to come see the fall colors. Again, guys, sorry for the wind noise. Figure I'd take you down to see the little lake that runs behind here. And yes, I understand there are fish in it. It's just beautiful. Hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to end the video yesterday, but the batteries died and then I had issues out of the GoPro. So, it's the next day and we're about ready to hit the road for a minute, and we're just moving a little distance away, and we'll be bringing you more adventures once we get there. I'd like to say, have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.